Are you struggling to attract new clients or feel like your message isn't reaching the right people? Creating a lead magnet funnel might be just what you need to pull them in. Hi, I am Lisa from Scale Mastery. Today, I'll show you how to create a lead magnet funnel that will bring potential clients straight to your coaching business. Instead of waiting for clients to come to you, let's draw them in with valuable content that sets you apart. In this video, I'll walk you through building a lead capture funnel, including a lead magnet, follow-up sequence, and thank you page to nurture new leads into loyal clients. Stay tuned till the end, where you can download a done-for-you funnel template to make setup a breeze. What is a lead magnet funnel? Before we dive into building the funnel, let's briefly discuss what a lead magnet funnel is. Essentially, a lead magnet funnel is a strategy where you offer something valuable for free, like a coaching book, checklist, video series, or any other resource that provides value. In exchange, you collect the prospect's contact information, such as their email address or phone number. This simple exchange gives you a list of potential clients who are already interested in what you have to offer. Now, let's jump into Go High Level and create this funnel step by step. Here, you'll create a free offer for your lead to attract potential clients, like a free sample chapter from the book. To start, go to your Go High Level dashboard, click the Sites tab on the left side, then go to the Funnel section and click the New Funnel button. The Create New Funnel dialog box will appear. Here, enter the name for your lead magnet funnel, such as Personal Coaching, and click the Create button. Now, create your funnel pages by clicking the Add New Step or Import button. Set your landing page name as you prefer, and click the Create Funnel Step button. You may click Use Existing Data, but I'll click the Create from Blank button to edit the landing page. Now, your blank page is available where you can add your required elements. Start by adding sections to insert elements. First, I choose a section, click, and drag it to the page. Here, click the Add Row button to add elements. I want to add a catchy and attractive heading for my lead, so I'll add a column in this section by dragging it in. Then click the Add Element button to insert a heading. Click and drag the heading and set it, for example, as Get a Free Football Training Guide. On the right side panel, you can adjust font size, color, alignment, and spacing. You can also animate any element by clicking the Animations tab and selecting your preferred animation. Now, insert another section to add more elements to your page. This time, I'll insert an image. So click the Image button, drag it to the section, and you'll see an image box where you can insert your picture. With this image, you can also add text as needed. To insert a picture in the picture box, click the picture box and go to the right side panel. Click the Image button, go to your drive to copy your image link, and paste it in the panel to display the picture on your page. You can set the background color as you want. Similarly, add a product or service image. And describe the free offer for your lead. For example, you could offer a free chapter download or a discount to attract them. Next, Add the features of your product or coaching book by simply dragging sections and elements and entering your text. Now, it's time to add an opt-in form where users can enter their email address or phone number. This form captures lead data, allowing you to send them the lead magnet and follow up later. You can link your sign-up button to your website by entering your website URL on the right side of the form setup. You can also add additional elements to engage your lead. Once your landing page is complete, save it. Finally, create a thank you page to confirm their sign-up. Click the Add New Step button and start the thank you page with a brief message expressing gratitude for their sign-up. This page plays an important role in building trust with your new lead. After completing it, save your thank you page, automating lead magnet delivery. Now, let's make sure that your new lead receives the lead magnet automatically. Go to the Automation section in Go HighLevel, where you can set up a workflow to deliver the lead magnet. This ensures that they receive instant access to your offer, helping to keep them engaged and build trust right away. Click New Workflow and select Start from Scratch. Now click on Add Trigger. Choose Funnel Form Submitted or a similar option that aligns with your funnel setup. Then go to the Filters section and select your lead magnet funnel name. This will ensure that whenever someone opts in to receive your lead magnet, the workflow starts automatically. The first action should be to send them an email or SMS with a link to the lead magnet. Make sure to include the link to the lead magnet in your message so they can access it immediately. Automating this process makes your funnel hands-free, creating a seamless experience for your new leads. Setting up follow-up campaigns. Now that they have your lead magnet, let's add a follow-up campaign to continue engaging them. In Go HighLevel, you can build a series of follow-up emails or SMS messages to nurture these leads and encourage them to take the next step with you. Here, put the wait action and set its duration. For example, you could send a follow-up email 2 days later with a client success story related to the lead magnet. A few days after that, send another email sharing additional resources or tips. These follow-up messages keep your leads engaged and help establish your credibility as an expert. The idea here is to gradually build trust. By the end of this sequence, they should feel more familiar with your business and be more likely to become paying clients. And that's it. You've now built a complete lead magnet funnel in Go HighLevel. Ready to start attracting clients automatically? Click our exclusive link in the description to get a 30-day free trial with Go HighLevel. That's double the usual trial period. Plus, you'll get instant access to our lead magnet funnel template, so you can start nurturing clients from day one. If this helped, hit subscribe for more coaching business tips. And be sure to check out our next video on using appointment reminders to reduce no-shows. It's perfect for keeping clients engaged and accountable. Thanks for watching.